Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that in each of the following, find the angle between the two given vectors. So solution. So now, to find the angle between two given vectors, the formula is given by the dot product is equal to the magnitude of two of them multiplying each other times cos theta, whereby theta is the angle between these two vectors A and B. So theta now will be equal to cos inverse the dot product over the two magnitude, over the product of the two magnitude. So now we'll find their two dots. So now we'll find the dot product and the magnitude of each vector. So now the first one, let's find the dot product, is 2, 4, 3 minus 1. So this becomes what? 2 times 3 plus 4 times minus 1. So this is 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Well, the dot product is 2. Then the magnitude of A, then the magnitude of this vector A is what? Is 2 square plus 4 square. So the 2 square plus 4 square. This is 2 root 5. 2 square plus 4 square is 2 root 5. Then the magnitude of the second one, 3 square plus minus 1 square. So the same thing, it will be 3 square plus 1 square, because minus square will be plus. So this is root of 10. So this is root of 10. So now we can substitute them into the equation. So theta now will be equal to cos inverse the dot product 2 over the product of the two magnitude. So this is 2 root 5 times root 10. So now 2 divided by 2 root 5 times root 10 is what? This is 0.1414. So theta will be equal to cos inverse 0.1414. So cos inverse 0.1414 is equal to 81.87, which is approximately 82 degrees. So now the angle between these two will be approximately 82 degrees. So 82 degrees is the angle between these two vectors, A and B, for the first one. So now we can move to the second one. So now the second one, the vectors are these 2 minus 1. So the dot product will be 2 minus 1 times what? 2 and 4. So 2 and 4. So this will be 2 times 2 plus minus 1 times 4. So this becomes what? 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. And since the dot product is 0, that means these two vectors are orthogonal or perpendicular. That means the angle between two of them will be 90 degrees. So theta will automatically be 90 degrees because the dot product is 0. So you will see when we do it using this formula, you see 90. I'm sure the answer will be 90 degrees, because when the dot product of two vectors is 0, it means that they are orthogonal. So that means the angle between them is 90 degrees. So let's do this. We need to find the magnitude of A 2 square plus minus 1 square. 2 square, 2 square plus 1 square is root of 5. So this is root of 5. Then the second one is what? 2 and 4. So it will be 2 square plus 4 square. Which is 2 root 5. So here is 2 root 5. So now we can substitute them. Theta now will be equals to cos inverse. Dot product is what? Is 0 over root 5 times 2 root 5. So now you know that here everything here is 0, so it will be equals to cos inverse 0. So now theta, what's cos inverse 0? Cos inverse 0. You see 90 degrees. So the theory is correct. So that means the theory is correct. Any two vectors that their dot product is 0, it means that they are orthogonal. In other words, the angle between them is 90 degrees. So here, theta is 90 degrees. So that's all. We have successfully solved this question. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.